Hello, Blake here from 1517 Music. We've just released Holy, Holy, Holy live from the Meteor with a full band. And I wanted to give you a little bit of a tutorial on how you might approach the song if you were just a solo guitar player and you didn't have a full band behind you. So this is how you might approach playing our arrangement of Holy, Holy, Holy. Of course, a song partially based off of Revelation 4, and we've sort of extended that metaphor out by adding a bridge. And as we see in Revelation 4, the creatures are bowed down in front of God and worshiping Him, singing Holy, Holy, Holy. So I'll play for you a couple verses in the bridge, and let me know if you have any comments. Drop them below. Thanks.
Lord God Almighty, early in the morning our song shall rise to Thee. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. Holy, though the darkness hide Thee, though the eye made blind by sin Thy glory may not see, only Thou art holy, there is none beside Thee, perfect in power, in love and purity. And we all bow down, 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 and we all bow down,
Continue on to the last verse, and that's the song. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below, or if you want to find the chart or more resources, visit 1517.org/music. Thanks.